Sport betting is business to some, while to others is gambling. And here at Moneyline, we take this business to the next level. So we present to you today's top eight draw. We have a total of eight draws today, total of 8,000 plus odds. So let's get started. The first game we have today is in Brazil Cup, where America RN is taking on Trex FC PB. And my prediction is full time draw. The next game we have here is a game in Portugal Division 2 where Luxios is taking on Nacional de Madeira. And my prediction is full time draw. Please hit the like button and share this video with your friend. Do not forget to drop where you are watching us from in the comment section. It's very important. And also tag your friend in the comment section so that they will also benefit from this game. Okay, guys, if you want to watch the full video, kindly click the link in the comment section and go to our YouTube channel and see all the eight draws that we have for today. We posted five draws today, yesterday, and all of them came. So congratulations to those people that won yesterday draws. Five draws, a total of 400 odds. Okay, moving on, we have a game in the Switzerland division where AC Belly Zona is taking on FC Vaduz, and my prediction is full time draw. The next game we have is in Romania where FC Universita Cluj is taking on Faro Constanța, and my prediction is full time draw. If you want to join our VIP and get show us like this every day, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Please note it's a paid service, it's not free. And kindly, when you are coming to my WhatsApp, don't ask for free games, don't ask for pay after. Thank you so much. Moving on, we have a game in Nigerian division where Heartland FC Weri is taking on Plateau United, and my prediction is full time draw. The next game I have here is in Iran, where Zobahan is taking on Police, and my prediction is full time draw. The next game we have still in Iran is a game between Sham Azar taking on Mez Rav Sanjan FC, and my prediction is full time draw. The next game we have is in Thailand, where Ho Chin, sorry, Vietnam V League, where Ho Chi Minh is taking on Binh Dinh FC, and my prediction is full time draw. So that gives us a total of 8,003 odds, total of 8 matches. So I have edited this game to 3 draws out of these 8 matches. So if you want to get that 3 draws, is a pay service. Come to my WhatsApp and pay the token fee for these 3 draws is 10,000 naira. Only if you are outside Nigeria is $20 only. Okay, guys. I will see you guys after the match. This is the booking code for those people using Sportsbet, and I'll also share with you the 1xbet global code and also other uh bookmaker. So drop your bookmaker in the comment section, and so that next time I will also convert it to your own bookmaker. I will first convert this to 1x global, then I'll convert it to Bedway South Africa, then Bed Niger, and the rest of them. Okay, hold on while this load. This will take some time to convert this game. Okay, this is the booking code for those people using 1xbet. Anywhere you are in the world, use this code and you get this game. Okay, moving on, we convert this game to Bet Niger. Okay, and for those people asking which app am I using to convert, it's called uh bet code converter. Is a paid app, it's not free. This app is not free. So once you download this app, they will ask you to pay and buy the credit unit. So it's not free. So those people asking for it, please note that it's not free. Okay, the bed code is this, so you can see the code here for bed users. Then let's check Betway South Africa for our South Africa audience. Please do not forget to drop your bookmaker name in the comment section. This is Betway South Africa coach. Yeah, this Betway South Africa. Okay, I think that is all for now. I'll see you guys later after the game. Do not forget to share this video.